guys, so welcome back to Mikaeel World. Today I'm going to be doing more unboxing videos. Right guys, so this is Woody from the Toy Story franchise. Alright guys, so it's already time to unbox this one. He's a sheriff, that's why he has a badge. And he's got muscles here and here guys. And here on this side. So hard. Right, this is Woody from the Toy Story franchise, and we've already boxed him out of the box. So right, time to press this button at the back.
Operation Pull Toy. Hang on, little guy. Gotcha. Everyone, this is for you. Trash? No, you're not going to the trash.
Toys got a hat they put on and take off. Look. This is cowboy hat that he uses and he finds it again. Under his cowboy shoe it even says Bonnie! Alright, shall we see what else? Well, look, Woody says.
What? No, you can't go. Forky. I gotta get Forky. What are you doing out here? Oh, no, we can't say. Okay, gotta get back. How are you back? Operation Pull Toy. Hang on.
Okay, so what we have here is a Buzz Lightyear from the Toy Story franchise. Right, time to unbox Buzz Lightyear. Right, so here this sticker is here. It shows you when you press this button. Here's the writing and here's the stickers where it shows you when you press this red button here. And I'm going to show you what the sticker do. Your channel!
The slingshot maneuver is all we've got. Full speed ahead. This planet is toxic. Closing heaven to conserve us.
Smile.
Scanning perimeter.
Right, if you press this purple button here, it makes his hand open. See? Actually bigger. I'll tell you what is this. The wings open. And you can make it fly. You can play with it with your hand like this.
This is diva, man. You're a diva, isn't it?
Meow. Hey, Buzz, we went through the truck. We're not heading for the truck. We're heading through Andy's car. Huh? What's that? Huh? Woody and Buzz. Huh? What was that? I found Buzz and Woody. Oh, see? Told you. Right, so I will unbox Dom's car from the Fast and Furious franchise. Guys, on this Dom's car, the doors open up and this is a Dodge Black Challenger. And do you know, on this car, the wheels matches the seats inside. Right guys, so on Dom's car, the doors open on the Dodge. It's time to play! Right guys, next what we have here, Brian's car from the Fast and Furious franchise 7. Right guys, so next what we have here again is a blue GTR from the Fast and Furious 6 franchise, and the doors open up again. This inside here, the wheels matches the wheel matches the interior inside. Time to play with Beast. Right, time to race. Oh no, Dom's car's the winner, yay! And Brian's car. Now, right guys, so thanks for watching Mikaeel's world. Alright, so make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button down below. See you next time, bye! Stay awesome and share the love. Peace!